Today, we're taking a focused look at the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2, a newly launched robot vacuum and mop designed to deliver premium level cleaning performance at a far more accessible price point. Special thanks to Mova for sponsoring this video. If you want to learn more or secure current launch pricing, be sure to check the link in the video description below. The Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 officially launches on January 27th, 2026, and the core idea behind this robot is simple. It brings features typically reserved for $1,000 plus models into a system that's built to clean thoroughly in a single pass with minimal rework and almost no daily effort. This is high-end cleaning made practical, reliable, and easy to live with. At the heart of the P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 is raw cleaning power. It delivers up to 26,000 pascals of suction from a high-speed turbo force motor spinning at up to 110,000 RPM. That level of suction allows it to capture large debris, pull dust from floor gaps, and deep clean carpets, including long ply surfaces, while keeping noise under control. For everyday messes, pet hair, and tracked-in debris, this is the kind of suction that lets the robot get the job done in one pass instead of requiring multiple cleanups. Carpet handling is equally intelligent with liftable mop pads that automatically raise and stop water flow when carpets are detected, allowing the robot to switch into pure vacuum mode without soaking rugs. Suction boosts on low-ply carpets based on your app preference. High-ply rugs can be avoided entirely if you choose, and the floating brush system helps protect carpet fibers while still delivering strong pickup. The robot can also gently clear obstacles up to 0.88 inches during navigation. Mopping Performance is where the P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 really separates itself. Using turbo press technology, the mop applies 12 newtons of downward pressure combined with smart speed mopping that reaches up to 260 rotations per minute. That pressure and speed dynamically adjust based on the room and surface, allowing the mop to break down stuck on dirt instead of just dragging moisture across the floor. This makes a noticeable difference with dried spills, kitchen messes, and high traffic areas. To support that deeper clean, Mova integrates a true 212 degree Fahrenheit PTC hot mop washing system. The dock doesn't just rinse the mop pads, it effectively boils them, dissolving grease, inhibiting bacterial growth, and cleaning the washboard itself at the same time. 20 dedicated hot water spray nozzles surround the mop to ensure the entire pad and washboard surface are thoroughly flushed, dramatically reducing residual left in fibers and helping prevent dirt from being redeposited back onto your floors. After cleaning, mop maintenance is fully automated. The upgraded hot wind drying system dries mop pads up to 99% in just 1 hour, with improved airflow and temperature control that help reduce moisture buildup and keep pads consistently fresh. For edge and corner coverage, the P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 uses the Maxi Reach side brush along with the Maxi Reach mops and RoboSwing technology to achieve up to 99.99% corner and edge coverage. Actively working along walls, edges, and tight spaces to avoid the missed spots common with standard round robots. Hair management is handled by a triple anti-tangle system that combines the side brush, a V-shaped rubber roller with an optional clean chop brush, and an anti-tangle omni wheel design, significantly reducing hair wrap from pets and long hair and keeping maintenance low over time. Everything ties together at the all-in-one base station, which automatically empties the dustbin for up to 100 days using a large 3.2-liter dust bag. Refills cleaning solution, washes mop pads, dries them, and maintains the washboard using the integrated spray nozzle system. The base station also includes large water tanks with 4.5 liters of clean water and 4 liters of used water capacity, reducing how often you need to intervene. Navigation and mapping are handled by LDS LiDAR with full 360-degree scanning for fast, accurate mapping and efficient path planning, while a single-line front laser adds reliable obstacle detection for smooth, hands-free cleaning even in cluttered spaces. Control is fully flexible through the Mova Home app, which provides real-time animated visuals showing exactly what the robot is doing, along with precise scheduling, room control, and deep cleaning customization. A built-in dark mode makes nighttime use easier on the eyes, and voice control supported through Hey Mova, as well as Amazon, Google, and Siri for hands-free operation. Powering everything is a 5200 mAh battery designed for long runtime, with smart power detection enabling up to 30% faster charging when the battery runs low, so the robot can get back to cleaning sooner. Taken as a whole, the Mova P10 Pro Ultra Gen 2 is built to deliver premium, one-pass cleaning with true hot water mop sanitation, powerful suction, and fully automated maintenance in a system designed for everyday living. If you want to learn more or check current availability and launch offers, make sure to check the link in the video description.